I'm in Goa right now, and this is like our every year ritual. So every year, my family and we visit Goa because there's this Kul Devi of ours here who I need to worship every year. So Maharsa Devi करके एक देवी है. So we come here, we worship her every year, and फिर इसी बहाने we also do a lot of maza in Goa and then leave our ways. Now, talking about the travel and stuff, I came by Vande Bharat here actually. So there was 6:30 ki train today in the morning, and for that I had to wake up at 4:30 because my train was from Panvel, and I was not in a state to record at that particular time. Okay, I couldn't have shown you my face. I was so swollen at that particular point of time. I was not at all in the mood to vlog, as a result of which I thought that let's first reach Goa, let us settle in our room, and then start the camera, because only then things might come as naturally, because otherwise you would have seen me angry all the time. Even my family complained today that you're not talking much. No, I don't like talking in the morning. So as a result of which I didn't talk. Okay, I was silent throughout my train journey, and I was just sleeping. I was sleeping up, I was waking up, eating something, again sleeping, just like a baby.
What?
Okay. So now that we are in Goa, I would like to give you a mini room tour. So this is my room basically. I would like to show you ऐसे सब entrance से भी, but I guess we can pretty much make it out how my room is. So इस room में मैं और मेरी sister रह रहे हैं, and other room is for my parents. So this is the entrance, guys. Now there's pretty much a poor lighting, I would say. I don't like the lighting of this room. इतने ज़्यादा lights नहीं है यहाँ पर. And then we have these two beds which would be shared by me and my sister. We have this mirror right here to get ready. I would be shooting a lot of get ready with me's this time, and there's the view from the balcony. That is pretty much it. Now our plan for the evening is to first of all complete all of our worship duties. So I would be visiting the temple in the evening today, and then post today, that is tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I guess we'll be enjoying in Goa, and then I'll be leaving again for Mumbai. So yeah, that's the plan. I'll be taking you to the mandir also. I don't know whether the recordings would be allowed there or not, but I'll try my best to take you there. Good morning, you guys. I just woke up. As you can see, I'm still in my bed. So I've completed like all of my morning course. It is right now, what's the time? It's probably 9:30 right now, and we are going to head out to a cafe right now for our breakfast. Our parents told us that they are going to have breakfast on the room itself. In the hotel itself. But I wanted to try this cafe out, and that is 1 hour drive from here. So guys, I have changed my outfit because now we are going to head out to a cafe for breakfast. So let's go. I'm wearing something like this which is backless. I've already shot a get ready with me for that. Still have to edit it though, but yeah, let's go. So guys, I am back from the cafe. We had this little brunch sort of thing there because we reached late. It was almost an hour drive, and as usual late उठी थी तो सब कुछ late होता गया, and as a result of which I just had nice place. I loved the ambience, and just adjacent to it was Agoda Beach. So yes, we did see the beach as well, although it was so scorching heat right now there, but still we waited there for some time, and फिर हम वहाँ से निकल गए because सच में धूप बहुत ज़्यादा थी. And beaches are a place where you should be either early in the morning or in the evening, like towards the golden hour, right? नहीं तो but there were foreigners who were there at the beach. इतने धूप में कैसे रह सकते हो यार तुम लोग? बोला मेरी आंखें नहीं खुल रही वहाँ पे. एंड इवन द सैंड गेट्स warm when it's scorching heat everywhere, right? So I was not even able to be there in the sand for a long time. And since मैंने flats पहने थे तो मेरे वैसे भी पैर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो रहे थे. तो as a result we came back again and अब आगे का plan is to visit this beach. I guess it's Varka beach, so we'll be going there. Right now it's 3:30 p.m. and our plan is to go there at 5. अब एक बात बताती हूँ, ठीक है? सुबह मैं मेरे मम्मी पापा को एक कैफ़े लेके गई जो मैंने आप लोग को बताया, राइट? Now there's this another cafe that I want to go.
Oh my god.
I haven't told them. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं उन्हें कैसे बोलूँ because I don't think they'll allow me to go ऐसे इतना ज़्यादा cafes में. Although there's this Fedora Bakes करके एक है इधर cafe and it's really close to where I'm staying right now. I do not want to miss a chance to go there, but let's see. I have to convince them in disguise to get me there. And वहाँ पे वही अपना basic stuff. You get cheesecakes, you get coffees, again the same thing, matcha and everything like that. But I really wish to go there. Let's see. जाते हैं. And I'll be also showing my OOTD to you. फिलहाल I'm thinking of taking a nap. As always, I sleep a lot. So, see ya. Okay guys, it is our last day in Goa today and the trip was wholesome. We were here for 2 nights and today is the checkout. So right now it's 10:30 and I would be checking out of the hotel at 11 a.m. was the time given to us. So yeah, we'll be leaving. I've already changed into my train fit because I need to be comfy and we are going by Vande Bharat again, just as how we came. मैंने अंदर से भी एक I have put this shirt because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है. In generally I am a person, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है, so I have to be really very cautious. And chalo, overall the trip was wholesome. I really enjoyed vlogging and I hope you also enjoyed looking at all of the things that I did in South Goa. हर साल हम आते हैं तो there are not ऐसे much exciting things that we do, but whatever we did I tried to show it to you. Alright guys, if you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel which is Advaita V. Bye bye.